Go.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aribali Kadri from Group 5. My group members are Waqas Ahmed, Zubi Akbar, and Osama Khan. And this is the video for HMB app prototypes. Okay, next screen. Waqas. Okay, this is the first page that when a user will log in, he will see, which is the welcome page. It says, Welcome to Habib Metro Smart App. Next page. This is the login page, which shows login credentials, which are username and password, and also gives an option to use fingerprints and face detection. Moreover, it has a strip of QR payment, offers, and more option. Coming to the next image. Okay, this is a comparison between HMB app and the prototypes that we have created. In the first picture, you can see the current HMB app. It shows that after you log in, you enter your username and password, then it leads you to a page which generates OTP, and you get a message of or with an OTP code, and then you have to verify your account. But in the prototype that we have created, it already shows so many options, like you can register for web banking or mobile app, and if you forget your username and password, you can change from here, and you can also access help option and card management. Next. Okay, in this image, you are logged in into the app. The left image shows the recent app, which shows balance, IBAN number, and account number. What we have suggested here is that it shows current balance, IBAN number, account number, and four recent transactions that you have done in the past. And also at the bottom, it shows the scheduled payments that you have appointed for yourself. Also, it also shows the strip for other options like QR payments and transfers and profile. Next. Okay, in this screen, we have selected QR payment options, which is not working in the current app. It only generate QR code for other apps. Like for example, if you can generate code here for a payment, you can use it through Easy Pesa and make a payment from there. But in this app, we have suggested that you can also make QR payments through this app. You can also see payment history and manage other QR payments. Next. In this screen, this is a comparison between transfer option. uh, the current app shows transfer through own account, other HMB account, the QR code payments, zakat donation, and non-beneficiary. But in what we have suggested, it is like my accounts, my cards, my bills, at pay, and other accounts. It is more simplified version to what now HMB is offering. Next. In this screen, you can see that in the current app, what we have here is when you select transfer, you can select to another account. But to access that account, you first have to add that account as a beneficiary before conducting any transaction. So it is a long process. But what we have in the prototype is that you can just select the amount and or schedule a payment, and then an OTP will be generated for security purposes, and then you can just click pay now and your transaction will be completed. In this option, we also have within Habib Metro accounts outside HMB. You can also check the status of your check, either it is available, stop, or already utilized. You can also access credit card payments from here. Next. Okay, this is the bill payment option. In the recent app, it is a very complex version which shows one bill payments, air ticket, educational fee, which is further divided into other payment options. But we have simplified here in prototype, which shows electric bills, sui gas bills, Easy Pesa bills. We have also intricated other bill payment solutions, for example, Easy Pesa, Jazz Cash, Kinu, etc. You can also access other accounts and also add pays. Next. Okay. This is the menu app option that you can access in the current app, which shows very limited options here. But what we have here is we have a strip of option. You can also select more for other options, and also a list of options which includes card management, check management, subscription, account management, and logout option. And also we can add beneficiaries and access discounts and offers. Next, this is the last image of our suggested prototype, which is not available in the current app, which will be like a goodbye and thank you for using HMB Smart app. This is all for the prototype video. Thank you.